Hey guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to make a project on TinkerCAD. So we will search the TinkerCAD in our Google Chrome browser and then select the first website, which is TinkerCAD. And after open the website, so this is the TinkerCAD by Autodesk. So here you can see we have made a lot of circuits here. So to make a new circuit, click on the create button and select the circuit. Now it open the dashboard of TinkerCAD, and in the right side you can see the component. So we can drag and drop the component to the dashboard. So first we will drag and drop the Arduino Uno. We are making a distance measure device using Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. So after that we will look for the ultrasonic sensor. So this is the distance sensor, not the ultrasonic sensor. So we will delete this component and search again the ultrasonic sensor here. Now we will drag and drop the ultrasonic sensor on our dashboard, and now we will select the breadboard to the dashboard. Now uh, the turn for the LCD. So here we select the LCD 16 cross 2 I2C version. So uh, here the first one is the 16 cross 2 I2C LCD. So we will drag and drop on our screen. So we will manage all the component as per the requirement. We will connect the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino and the LCD to the Arduino using our breadboard. So we will attach our ultrasonic sensor to the breadboard and start the wiring. First we will connect the 5 volt pin to the breadboard positive rail and the ground pin to the breadboard negative rail. Now we will make the connections of LCD. We will connect the SDA pin to the Arduino A4 pin and SCL pin to the Arduino A5 pin. Arduino A4 pin uh, is a SDA pin and Arduino A5 pin is a SCL pin. Then we will connect the ground pin of LCD to the negative rail of breadboard and positive VCC pin of LCD to the positive rail of breadboard. Now we will connect the ultrasonic sensor pins. So VCC pin of ultrasonic sensor to the positive rail of breadboard and trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor connect to the pin number 2 of Arduino, and echo pin from the ultrasonic sensor connect to the Arduino pin number 1, and ground pin of ultrasonic sensor connect to the negative rail of breadboard. We have completed the circuit part. Now we will have to make the code for our circuit. So we should click on the code button, and here we will select the text format of code. You can also write the code in block format. You have all three options: block plus text, and text. So now we will make the code in text format. So we will start the coding here. So first we will include two libraries in our code, wire.h and liquid crystal display. So both of the libraries for the component LCD, I2C LCD. Now we will have to mention the LCD address. So here we are using 0x27 I2C address, and here we are initializing 16 cross 2 display. So now we will have to make some integers like constant integer trigger pin and mention here the pin number we are using. So we are using uh, pin number 2 for trigger pin, so we will change it to pin number 2 of Arduino. Now we have to connect the trigger pin to the pin number 2, and here we need to change it to the echo pin. So we are using the echo pin with the pin number 1 of Arduino. Here we are making two variable more, long duration and float distance. These variable will help us to store the data. Now we will have to make the void setup. In void setup we have to initialize all the functions and all the pins we are using in this project. So first we will initialize the LCD. So here you can see lcd.begin and lcd.backlight and lcd.setCursor. So here we are initializing the LCD and set the cursor location here 00. First we will print on lcd.print here. Here we will print on the LCD distance meter first. So this is the sentence, this is the word which print on the LCD first. Here we are initializing the pin mode as we are initialize the trigger pin as a output pin and echo pin as a input pin. Now here we take a delay of 2000 milliseconds and lcd.clear to clear the LCD. Now we will write the void loop here. So we will have to make the main program in void loop. So we are making a small function for our ultrasonic sensor work. So here you can see we are using the trigger pin and echo pin to measure the distance. So to measure the distance we have to make some calculations. The ultrasonic sensor transmits the ultrasonic waves and received by the receiver after hitting any object. So now we have the duration and also we have the speed of ultrasonic waves. So now we can calculate the distance from the formula given here. So once we will have the distance, we can show this distance to our LCD. After completing the code, we have to click on the start simulate. So now we can see here the distance and we can see the simulation of our project, how we can calculate the distance. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. We will make more videos on uh, how to make the projects and how to do the tutorials on TinkerCAD. If you want to stay updated, please subscribe to us. Thank you.